Good morning, everyone. We're here at Tumoga Safari. We're actually making breakfast with our musket powder. This is going to enhance the flavor, and this is just going to bring a little bit of spice into our lives this morning. We're going to start by cracking just a few more eggs. Once the eggs are a little bit more fluffy, we're going to add in the spices. And this is our beautiful host, Esmeralda. She has been helping us prepare our meals. So now we want to show them a little bit of how we do it in the States with musket powder. Okay, Esmeralda, can you tell us a little bit about Tumoga and why you guys chose that name?
Tumoga means water bug in one of our African languages, Tswana, and we chose that name because on our farm we have a lot of water bugs. So we choose something that's unique to our farm to give our safari that extra special touch.
I like that. And you guys are really close to the border of Botswana as well, right?
Yes.
So we were able to see some animals on the other side of the river yesterday, and a lot of them do come over from Botswana to your farm, right?
Yes. So I won't say we can keep them here because they're so wild, but if they stay, we get the chance to keep them a little.
Very cool. Now we're gonna go in with musket powder black label. This is going to enhance the flavor of the eggs. You can use as much of this as you'd want. It has like a peppery flavor to it. We'll mix that in, and then we'll dust it with the Cajun blend. Thank you so much for making our breakfast this morning. We really appreciate it.
It's a pleasure.
We actually got to see a hippo on the other side of the river because the river separates you and Botswana.
Yes, correct.
Oh, that is amazing. I didn't even know that when coming here, so that's so fun.